Hi there, it's me, Snow White. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami flapping bird. So what you'll need is a square piece of paper, and if you don't have a square piece of paper, you can use a rectangle and fold a triangle like this, and then you can get a grown-up to help you cut the side here. So, once you have your square piece of paper, fold a triangle, and then you're going to fold a triangle in the other direction. Then you're going to fold it in half like a rectangle. Crease it, unfold, fold a rectangle in the middle the other way, and unfold it. Now you're going to hold it in the middle on each side and press in all the corners so that you have a square, and we're going to fold it down the center, open it up, and fold it down the center again, so you have a square. Now you're going to make it into a kite, so you're going to fold in a corner like this into the center, fold in the other side like this, turn it over, and now you're going to complete your kite by turning in the corner there. In the corner here. So now you have a kite. And what you're going to do now is fold over the top of your kite like this, so it looks like a triangle. Unfold it, turn it around, fold down, and unfold it again. Now, here's the tricky part. We're going to unfold the kite and make sure that this part here stays folded. And you're going to open this part up, keeping the top of your kite creased. I'm going to open this up and fold the corners in. So now you have a diamond. Going to crease the sides of your diamond there. Turn it around. Remember to keep the top of the kite folded and creased. And make a diamond on the other side. These are going to be the bird wings. Oh, this is so much fun. I just love birds so much. I love all the animals. So we're going to make our diamond on the other side for our bird wing and crease the corners. Now don't be upset if you can't do it on the first try, because this is really hard. And so now you're going to fold up the bird wings, and now I'm going to make the bird head. So fold up this part like this. We're going to make the bird's tail. I'm going to fold up into the inside, the tail there. And now to make the bird's beak, I'm going to fold in just the tip of the bird's head, like so. And now for your wings, you can make a crease right there like that. And on the other side, side. Fold down like that. And you have your bird. And now if you take the corners right here, you just pull, and now your bird can fly. Well, I've got a white dove here, but you can use crayons or colored pencils to color your bird to make a blue bird or a robin or any color bird you want. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.